hello there. Open up Google Chrome and go to gmail.com. Okay, you are going to type in your username, okay? Hit Shift and the number 2. That will get you the fancy @ sign. And then you're going to put k12.smcps.org, okay? We have done this in class, but I know we only did it once. Hit Next after that, and then put in your username with the 18 at the end and hit Next. My son has given me permission to use his account to be able to show you this, okay? Come up to the waffle and then click on Google Slides. From Slides, you'll hit the plus sign. I would recommend just clicking on this box and hitting Delete on your keyboard, okay? Because you don't need that there. Then click on this guy. When you get those 4 arrows, that tells you that you can move whatever it is you're looking at, so move it down. And your teacher will give you more specific directions on this, but I'm putting my name there, okay? Now you're making a web, so come up here to Shapes, and you can insert your center shape. And perhaps she's not going to tell you what shape you need to add, so maybe you have some flexibility to add whatever shape you would like. So I'm going to put a circle in here because why not? And then I want to add some text. So I will come up here to T, the text block, and I'm going to throw in the topic of sports because we all know about sports. I'm going to change the size right here like you would on any other word processing document, okay? And then if I want to move this box, I can move it. That tells me it is centered. Well, maybe not quite centered, right? In the box. There we go. It's centered with the cross arrow there. So then with the word web, we know we have to add lines from it, right? So I'm going to click on this little arrow and get a line. And I'm going to do one here. And I'm going to add another shape, right? And so this time I'm going to add a call out. Again, maybe you'll have some flexibility on what shapes you use. I'm going to drag and drop my call out. And I actually want to connect it a little bit more, okay? And then maybe I want to add another line because, you know, I can think of more than one sport. I'm going to put it here. I'm going to go here and put another line here. You don't have to make it look just like this. If you want more boxes than I'm putting, you could do a long line. And then you could do a short line. And then you could make this another long line, okay? And then if you want, you can actually right-click, copy, right-click, paste, and then you could just right-click, paste again, and here you go. There's another one. Here's another one, right? And so do you remember how to put words in there? Come up here to the T, click on your box, and we'll say soccer, okay? Then I can just move, whoops, I can move this guy where I want it. If this happens to you, there's a little slide bar down here that you can use. And what I would recommend is really just shrinking that box to something that's much more manageable. And I'll keep shrinking it and dragging it. I'm going to shrink and drag some more. And then I'm going to center it. You remember how to do that? I'm going to come over here, center, and we're going to just drag this little box right here. Okay? And there we go. Friends, in order to share this document with whoever it is, you're going to come up here and hit Share, and then call it whatever your teacher's asking you to call it. I would call it my name, and I'm going to say WordWeb. Okay, and then I'm going to say Save, and then you'll look for your teacher's email address. Mine is A.A. Wathen. And just click on it. We'll talk about these things later on in class. You do not have to worry about that today. And once you see your teacher come up, go ahead and hit Send. It's that easy. Have a great day. Good luck. Have fun.